How to cash on delivery on Daraz, or how to use cash on delivery feature on Daraz while ordering. So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash on delivery on Daraz. Now, the process itself is relatively easy. Now, to be honest, all you have to do is you can simply go ahead and place your order. Suppose you wanna order anything, you can simply tap on buy now option there, and you can select buy now option. And once you do so, you'll be headed into checkout page, right? You can simply go ahead and you can see I've entered in my details here. You can add in your billing address and your delivery address and such, and then tap on place order, and your order will be placed. You can see select your payment method option, and you can see cash on delivery option. You can simply select cash on delivery and you are good to go. So this way you can use cash on delivery on Daraz, or this way you can cash on delivery on Daraz. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.